Crutch words are the comfort words in a language, and it's almost inevitable to not use crutch words, which is why I'm here to give you some great replacements for the commonly used crutch words. So the first one is honestly. Honestly is used sometimes in places where it doesn't really fit in. Like, let's say this sentence, I have no idea why he said that. Instead of saying, honestly, I have no idea why he said that, it would be better if you use the word surprisingly, because you don't have any reasons to lie about in this case. Rather, you're more surprised. So, surprisingly, I have no idea why he said that would be a better match. And the second one is actually. Instead of using actually, you can say candidly or in truth. So, actually, he did say that. This is case number one. Instead of that, if you use in truth, he did say that, or candidly, he did say that, it sounds different. It doesn't sound monotonous. The next word is seriously. Seriously is a word that you use in order to, in order to convey the fact that you're being serious here and to stop joking. So let's say you're going through intense pain and your friends are not taking you seriously, then you say, seriously, I'm about to die. So instead of that, you can say, cut the joke, I'm about to die. Or in another case, you can also use jokes apart. So if you are confused, like your friends were talking about something and like, seriously, did he say that? If this is the sentence, you can rather say, jokes apart, did he really say that? So that is another way you can use seriously. So the two replacements for seriously include cut the joke and jokes apart. The next one is basically. I'm pretty sure everybody on the planet might have used basically at one point in their life, and this is such a common crutch word. Now there are two replacements for basically. The first one is beyond doubt. The second one is indeed. I mean, there are plenty of replacements. The ones that we're going to talk about are indeed and beyond doubt. So the sentence can be, he made a bad decision. So instead of saying, basically, he made a bad decision, you can say, indeed, he made a bad decision. Or beyond doubt, he made a bad decision. The last one is obviously. Instead of using obviously, you can use of course. So, of course, it was a bad day. Or obviously, it was a bad day. So the replacement for obviously is of course. I'm just going to repeat all the replacements. The first one is surprisingly instead of honestly. The next one is candidly or in truth instead of actually. Then comes cut the joke or jokes apart instead of seriously. Then beyond doubt and indeed instead of basically. And the last one is of course instead of obviously. If you want to know more about the courses that we provide, don't forget to click on the link below. Thank you so much for watching.
English House. English at your fingertips.